The Slfa is assisting its member clubs with effective fund management to help develop the sport on the island. Slfa President Lyndon Cooper revealed that FIFA increased its annual allocation to its members by $600,000 in June of the preceding year, but he noted that these funds are only sufficient for clubs to survive. Cooper added that the association decided to use these finances to assist its 19 member clubs, but with strict regulations in place.
There is nothing in football that is going to be done if they are not governed by regulations. There must be regulations. And what the regulation does, it protects the recipient and the donor or the contributor. And we develop those regulations in order to ensure that all our members understand when the Slfa decides to give 5 cents, how it can be spent.
As it stands, the Slfa disburses $10,000 to its member clubs every February and ensures compliance to receive an additional $10,000, which Cooper says is often challenging.
Either the Slfa has not created the program, or our member leagues don't have the capacity to achieve those objectives. And when you go lower, you will recognize that if we give you $10,000 in February, March, and by June, July, that same year, you do not meet the requirement for the $10,000, the General Secretary ought to write you and ask you to return the balance of what you didn't qualify for. And the only good thing is that nobody has returned the difference.
President Cooper also outlined the roles and responsibilities for leagues receiving these funds.
We must ensure that the principles of anti-discrimination, diversity, accessibility, inclusion, and human rights for all are protected and promoted. That is our language. What we say is that do not organize football for only boys. You have to do it for girls. You have to do it for women. You have to do it for special needs. You have to do it for everybody. That comes under your control and management. You must take measures to protect and safeguard children and minors from potential abuse and to promote their well-being within football. Now, it is required that everybody, 211 members, must have a child safety officer.
The Saint Lucia Football Association's Forward Football Assistance Program focuses on various aspects, including youth development, training facilities, and the overall improvement of football infrastructure and practices. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.